For Tekla EPM 2021, let's take a look at how we can use the DSTV Plus export to better manage our cuttings on the shop floor. So if I open a particular project and I go to review the cut list, here I can see a grouping of cuttings of wide flange for sequence 3. I can hit the DSTV Plus export and I'll save these to the desktop. This is creating a zip file with all of the DSTV files, but also the DSTV Plus files that instruct what material, base material to cut, and what files to use on that cutting pattern. And when I hit export, let me pull up the individual cutting patterns. So here we're looking at a W21 by 44, 60 feet long, and we're expecting to cut B269 and B203 out of that particular piece. When I open up the folder that was exported, we see all of the individual DSTV files, but we also see a .ba file with the cut list number referenced. And when we open up that individual file, so let's take that first one, it has information about the piece from stock that you're taking. So this information here, and then at the bottom it says that we're using CNC or DSTV file 203 and 269 in this particular cutting pattern. And if you were to open this DSTV Plus file on your shop floor equipment in the software that supports DSTV Plus, you would basically be able to run it immediately from the machine and without having to pick the individual CNC files to run. So this is a great way to get more efficient out on the shop floor. To enable this DSTV Plus functionality, you go into the maintenance menu and go to integration settings, and there's a new bump out for DSTV Plus, and you simply check to enable the export, so that button will be present on cut lists, and you pick either other for a generic DSTV Plus file, or you pick the specific product list there. So there are slight variations in that DSTV Plus file for Profile Line from Kaltenbach or Raptor from Pettinghouse. So you select your software, you enable it, and you hit save.